It's me, the Cookbook Lady. I don't know about y'all, but I am so excited for this new year. And I'm also really motivated to try and take this channel as far as I can possibly take it. And that's mainly because I got a new camera. Hopefully y'all will be able to see the quality difference in videos. Y'all just bear with me a little bit as I'm trying to learn how to operate this camera, but hopefully the quality of videos should be improving now. And while I'm on the topic of learning this camera, I figured what better way than to actually film a video for y'all. And wouldn't it be kind of cool if I did a banana bread video? For those of you who may be new and haven't seen all of my content just yet, I did my very first video for this channel was indeed a banana bread recipe. So even though I'm doing a banana bread video today, there is going to be a twist. I was browsing through this cookbook here, which has so many different banana bread recipes. However, there was one particular one that I found that has just the ingredients listed. So I figured it would be kind of a fun little challenge for me to be able to craft a recipe using just a list of ingredients given to me. So let's see how good of a recipe I can actually make. And if you would like to try the recipe that I'm making today, you can find it written down in the description of this video below. Into my mixing bowl, I'm adding the sour cream, sugar, milk, eggs, and baking soda, and blending until combined. Next, I'm gradually adding in the rest of my dry ingredients, which I have sifted together beforehand. I'm beating until fully combined. My last step is folding in my mashed bananas by hand. I left my bananas a bit on the chunky side for a bit of texture. so we're gonna allow this banana bread to cool completely before we slice into it. Alright y'all, so it has come to the time for our taste test. So, first thing that I noticed, it has quite a nice crusty top. So I like this. Is it the best I've ever had? I don't think so. But I will say that it's slightly sweet. It's not too sweet, which makes me think maybe my bananas weren't quite ripe enough. But it is quite spongy. Yeah, this isn't that bad actually. Having the bananas a bit on the chunkier side do lend quite a bit of texture. And it's also, you get like a little bite of banana. Like it's like a little surprise sometimes. I'm eating this plain as is right now, but throw a little butter on this. So how exactly does this recipe measure up? Well, I would give it about 3 stars, maybe 3.5 in my opinion. I think overall this is a great basic kind of banana bread. I like, it's got like a nice crust on the top of it. The inner part of the bread is moist. It's not too dry, but it does have like a sponge cake kind of consistency with little bits of banana popping in there because of the chunkier mashed banana that I decided to go with. It's not too sweet. I think elevating the flavor of this recipe would be maybe adding some cinnamon, some cardamom, maybe some nutmeg might help kind of boost the flavor a little bit. Also, I noticed that this recipe didn't have any vanilla listed on the ingredients, and typically for my banana bread, my own personal recipe that is, I like to add like a little splash of vanilla. There's also no butter in this, so it's kind of like the taste that comes through is very sweet, mainly because of the banana and the sugar. There's not really much of like a buttery flavor. So, I don't know. I think it was still a success overall. But yeah. Anyways, thank y'all so much for joining me on today's culinary adventure. If you did happen to like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you happen to like the vibe here on my channel, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join the family. Also, make sure you turn the notification bell on so you don't miss the next culinary adventure. Also, how are all of y'all doing? Do y'all have any fun and exciting goals for this new year? I'd love to know about them in the comments down below. Anyways, y'all, until next time, y'all be safe out there and be sweet to one another. Bye, y'all!